Today, we're showcasing 6 amazing small business machines you can buy online and turn into money-making machines. Ice cream cone maker. Ever dreamt of owning your own ice cream shop? This nifty machine lets you create fresh, delicious waffle cones in minutes. Simply add batter, press a button, and watch your cones come to life. Perfect for summer events, catering, or even setting up a charming ice cream cart. This machine is priced at $999. Spice powder making machine. Calling all foodies. This versatile machine lets you grind various spices into fresh, flavorful powders. Imagine offering unique spice blends at local markets, supplying restaurants, or even creating your own custom spice kits. The possibilities are endless. This machine is priced at $2,700. Noodle making machine. Freshly made noodles are always a crowd pleaser. This machine allows you to create various types of noodles, from ramen to spaghetti, right in your own kitchen. Open a noodle bar, sell at farmers markets, or even supply local restaurants with their signature noodle creations. This machine is priced at $199. 3D printing machine. The world of 3D printing is booming. This affordable machine lets you create custom designed products, phone cases, toys, and even decorative items. Unleash your creativity, sell your designs online, or offer 3D printing services in your community. This machine is priced at $269. Agricultural fruit basket making machine.
This might be our biggest machine on the list, but it has huge potential.
Create beautiful and sustainable fruit baskets for farmers markets, local grocery stores, or even offer personalized baskets for special occasions. This machine is priced at $30,000. Hamburger bun bakery machine. Calling all bakers. This machine lets you produce fresh, fluffy hamburger buns at scale. Partner with restaurants, food trucks, or even supply local grocery stores with their daily bread needs. This machine is priced at $25,352. For more small business machines, watch this video and subscribe now.